This is a short example of getting the lines in place. I'm sorry about my English. Ik praat normaal Nederlands, dus het is wat lastig om in het Engels te praten. So what I will use is pattern preview. Okay, and if you enlarge it, here you will see it doesn't match. And what I would do is, even the line is wobbly. That's strange. I might use this, so it's a bit time consuming, but then you will match up the lines, and it's done automatically on the bottom, of course. So this is a way, but you could also, I have to turn this off, mirror the design. So then you would need to have an exact middle, then take half of this, and you will have Command C, Command V, again V, this goes off, and this one you will mirror the other way around. Make sure it's snapped, just a magnetic snap, and then I'll turn on pattern view, preview, and you'll see it matches. This is the most quickest way.